Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. I welcome you again in the session of class 2nd, subject English Grammar. Today also I am taking another grammar topic, and this is your lesson 18, Comprehension. This is your lecture 1 of lesson 18. So dear students, you are supposed to take out your PC Rans grammar book and open lesson 18, that is comprehension. I think you understood. Now let me tell you the contents which I am going to take in this lecture. Now, the contents which I am going to take in this lecture are: I will tell you what is comprehension. Then I will proceed with the book exercises of the same lesson, and then I will assign you homework. So, you are supposed to open your PC Rans grammar book. Before taking the book contents, let me tell you what is comprehension. Comprehension makes connections between what they read and what they know. So dear students, in comprehension, you enhance your reading skill, and a comprehension can be seen or unseen. आपने उस पर्टिकुलर कॉम्प्रीहेंशन को देखा भी हो सकता है और नहीं भी देखा हो सकता. Comprehension can be a small story, it can be a stanza, a paragraph, or a poem. Now, let me tell you the steps to answering a comprehension. So, the steps are: read through the story carefully. Read through all the questions. Dear students, you are first of all take care that you have to read the whole story very carefully, because you are supposed to answer the particular questions from the particular story or the stanza, and after it you are supposed to read all the questions also very carefully. Now, let me tell you logic behind it, that when you read all the questions carefully, after it you have to read the whole story again. Then look for the answers. When you read the story again, you are able to find out the answer yourself. Be sure to answer the questions in full sentences. बेटा, आपको ये श्योरिटी रखनी है कि आपको जो आंसर्स हैं वो वन वर्ड में ना देकर फुल सेंटेंस में देने हैं. Now, I hope you understand that how you are able to answer a comprehension, or how you can do a comprehension. Now let's proceed with your book. Now open your book, page number 74, which is lesson 18, comprehension. And this is exercise 1. This is a story about a little red hen. Read the story and answers the questions that follow. So, we will read the story and we will answer the questions that follow the particular comprehension. Now, let's start. Once there was a little red hen who lived with her chicks. One day, the little red hen saw something bright and golden. It was a wheat grain. एक बार एक लाल मुर्गी थी, छोटी लाल मुर्गी थी जो अपने प्यारे चूजों बच्चों के साथ रहती थी। एक दिन उस छोटी लाल मुर्गी ने एक चमकीली और सुनहरी चीज देखी। इट वॉज अ व्हीट ग्रेन। और वो क्या थी? वो गेहूं का दाना था। ग्रेन क्या होता है? दाना। एंड व्हीट यू वेरी वेल नो, गेहूं। शी asked the cat, the rat and the goose to help her plant it. उसने, मुर्गी ने बिल्ली, चूहे और हंस को पौधा लगाने के लिए कहा। Now see, the cat, the rat, the goose. बेटा यहाँ the क्यों लगाया गया है? Because those the cat, rat and goose were there, were friend of hen. किसके दोस्त थे वो? hen के। All of them said no. और सभी ने क्या कह दिया? नहीं। सभी ने कहा no. So she did it all by herself. So उसने ये काम अपने आप कर लिया। The little red hen asked her friends to help her thresh it once it was ripe. छोटी लाल मुर्गी ने कहा, किससे कहा? अपने फ्रेंड से कहा कि आप लोग इसको जब ये पक जाए, राइप मीन्स पक जाए, वंस इट वॉज राइप, जब ये पक जाए तो इस क्रॉप्स को थ्रेश करना। थ्रेश करना क्या होता है? जब आप ग्रेन्स को सेपरेट करते हैं क्रॉप से, दैट इज थ्रेश। तो आप ग्रेन्स को अलग करने में मेरी मदद करना। उसने मदद करने के लिए कहा। किससे कहा? अपने फ्रेंड से कहा। नाउ यू कैन सी over here new words are also given. Thresh, a way to separate the grains from a crop, or grind, to crush something and make it into a powder. So these are the two new words for you, thresh and grind. But all of them said no. परंतु उन सभी ने क्या बोला? No. क्या कहा? नहीं। Then she asked her friends to help her grind it and make flow from it. तब उसने अपने फ्रेंड से उसको ग्रेन्स को क्रश करके फ्लावर बनाने के लिए मदद करने के लिए कहा. बट ऑल ऑफ देम सेड नो. परंतु उन सभी ने ना कह दिया. देन इट वॉज द टाइम टू बेक द फ्लावर इनटू अ डिलीशियस ब्रेड. और तब समय आ गया उस आटे को बेक करने का, पकाने का. किसमें? एक स्वादिष्ट ब्रेड में. The little red hen again asked her friends for help. छोटी लाल मुर्गी ने दोबारा अपने मित्रों को मदद के लिए कहा. But the cat, the goose and the rat all said no. परंतु उसके सभी इन तीनों दोस्तों ने ना कहा. Once the bread was ready, the little red hen asked who would love to eat it. एक बार जब वो ब्रेड पक गया, रेडी हो गया, तैयार हो गया, तो छोटी मुर्गी ने कहा कि इसको कौन खाना पसंद करेगा, है ना. द कैट सेड मी. बिल्ली ने कहा मुझे कि इसको कौन खाना पसंद करेगा, तो बिल्ली ने कहा मुझे. द गूज सेड मी. गूज ने भी कहा, हंस ने भी कहा. द रैट सेड मी. नो सेड द लिटिल रेड hen and ate the bread with her chicks. नहीं, छोटी लाल मुर्गी ने कहा नहीं और अपने चूजों के साथ ब्रेड खा लिया. सो दिस इज द स्मॉल स्टोरी in which you came to know that one should help somebody, है ना. हमें एक दूसरे की हेल्प करनी चाहिए. और क्या पता चला आपको? हाँ जी, न्यू वर्ड्स के बारे में पता चला. एंड यू केम टू नो हाउ टू रीड अ पर्टिकुलर comprehension. You have to read it carefully. You have to while reading you have to underline the new words. Okay, so you have to do like this. Now let's proceed with the exercise. So here is the exercise. Write T for true. आपने सही वाक्य के लिए T लिखना है. And F for false sentences. The little red hen found a grain of rice. So it is false because little red hen को wheat का grain मिला था. Her friend were very helpful. This statement is also wrong. So we will write F. F for false. The cat threshed the wheat. This is also wrong. So we will write F. The goose baked the bread. Who baked the bread? Tell me. The little red hen. So this is also false. So we will write F. The little red hen ate the bread with her chicks. So this is true because little red hen didn't give bread to anyone. Now let's proceed to next exercise. Now here is the next exercise. You can say next part of exercise 1. Okay. Complete the sentences with words from the given story. Beta, you are supposed to complete the given sentences. Here few sentences are given and we have to complete it now. And we have to take care that we have to take the words from the story. Okay, now let's continue. One day, the little red hen saw something bright and golden. छोटी लाल मुर्गी ने क्या देखा? कुछ चमकीला और सुनहरी. She asked her friends to help her thresh it once it was ripe. Now C part. Then she asked her friends to help her grind it and make flour from it. Fourth one. Then it was time to bake the flour into delicious bread. और लास्ट में क्या हो गया? उस फ्लावर को एक डिलीशियस ब्रेड में बदलने का टाइम था. No, said the little red hen and ate the bread with her chicks. So from these 5 sentences you came to know the whole story. These 5 sentences cover the whole story. Now I think you understood the story as well as you came to know that how you are able to solve the particular exercise. So you have to complete the exercise like this only. Now it is the time for homework, and in the homework you are supposed to do exercise 2, which is given on page number 76 and 77. Exercise 2. Here is a poem about Mr. Humpty Dumpty. Read the poem and answer the questions that follow. So this is the poem and I think you have read earlier in the previous classes. Humpty Dumpty क्या होता है बेटा? बोना व्यक्ति. So this is the poem which is given in your book on page number 77, and you are supposed to read this poem and you have to complete the exercise in the book only. Let me show you the poem as well as the exercise. So this is the poem. You have to read it twice. आप इसको 2 बार पढ़ेंगे. Then you go through the exercise, or you can say questions. Whatever the exercise is there, you have to go through it, and then you have to read the poem again, and then only you will be able to answer the questions. Let me show you the exercise which you have to do in your homework. Circle the correct words given in the brackets. Beta, you have to circle the correct words which are given in the bracket, and you have to do according to the poem. आपको ये ऊपर जो पोएम दी गई है उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही इसको फिल करना है. I hope you understood and you will be able to do it. We will also discuss it in the online class, as well as I will provide you solution for the same in the next lecture. So, in the end, I would like to say that you have to do your homework in the book only. Do it neatly and nicely. Thank you. Have a good day.